Alright, I will show you how to create a project, Altium project, and then design the schematic, and then design the PCB, right? So we compile, then we do the design, we check, right? Later. Right. So first, once you open the Altium Design, okay, go to click on project tab, then so you can view the project here. Right? If you click file, then you see the file here. Right, then go to file, new, click project, and then click PCB project, then name the project. Okay? For example, here this is the vegetable with power supply, right? With the voltage regulator actually. Then go to the browse location. Okay, browse locations. Go to the C. Then I place it here. All my project is electronic. Then I have the so again, see, I have new folder here. I rename the folder first. So say the folder is training part 1. Okay. I set it, select folder. So we have the folder here, training part 1. And the name of the project is the project folder is vegetable with power supply. Click OK. Then you have the project styles here, no document. So first thing first, we need to create the schematic, right? So file new schematic, right? You can name it anything if you do like, but I just let it become the set1 dot schematic dot. Okay, this I'm going to design the what we call the power supply. Okay, for this. So go to the library. Click on libraries here. Actually, we don't have the. If you go to the internet, Altium library, right? So we don't have the 7805, right? 7805. I need that. So I go here, library, and then install. Click on install. Okay, install from file. Then cancel. Go to C. It's my document. Okay, because I put it there. It's up to you where you put your library, right? Electronic. Then I put under mesh robot. Then here I have 77805. Yeah, this one. Right. Then click to project output. Click OK. Okay. No, I don't know. No. Cancel. Install from file. Okay, go to C. Then you go to program file. Then you go to you go to smart document. Then you go to Kerja electronic, and then you go to mesh robot. Mesh robot here. Then you go to 7805. Then you click to the output, and then click to the this here, Altium compile library, okay? Then click open. So you already install it here, and if you come here, in the end you got this, right? Alright. So for that, we need the terminal block, right? Terminal block. So I have a 5mm terminal block here. 5mm terminal block, 5mm terminal block. Okay. Okay, this is terminal. Place, click the place. Right, then you can change it, right? X, press X. Okay, then you have the terminal block there. You can go here for the shortcut, right? I think better you print this one out before you start the practice. Right. Where I put it? Okay, this one, right? Page 45, I think 45, right? And then we need to place the capacitor. Okay, click, and then get the capacitor. C. No. Capacitor. You got resistor there, no capacitor. Where's capacitor? Oh, got no capacitor here. Okay. So if you don't have capacitor, then go back here, fan out, inside user. You don't have, if you don't have, right? Go to users, then go to the public, then go to the public document, then go to AD, then go to library, then find out capacitors. Here we have capacitor here, capacitors, click OK. Oh, sorry, and then install, so from file. I make a mistake, not from there, from here, go to user, public document, Altium, AD, library, then find out the capacitor, then click, so open, click to open. Okay, install another one, this one, 7805. Now go back to C, for smart document, then go to the electronic, then go to the mesh robot, then find out the 7805, 7805. 7805, then click output, find out the Altium, click open. Okay, so we have that now. So this one you can remove, Okay, so we have the capacitor already, and the close. So we have the capacitor already here. No, okay, no problem. Place this one first. Okay. Then we need capacitor. Libraries. Install from file. C. Search public document, Altium AD library, and then capacitor, then click the Altium compile library and click open. Right? And then right? So we have the capacitor. I think we have capacitor somewhere here. Right? Alright, just close and try to find it. The capacitor should be here. Oh yeah, this one capacitor. So I need the, okay, you can check the capacitor that you like. For example, now I'm going to use the electrolytic capacitor, a small one. Okay. Then you can place it. Okay, tap. Then we can change the value. Say we need a 10 microfarads. Click value OK, and click OK here. So we have it here. One's here, another one is here. Okay. Then maybe you need the jumper, or maybe you need the protection diode. Right? If you need the protection diode, you can go to diode. So we have diode. If you need, if you don't want, okay, no problem. Okay, next we're going to place the ground. Right, you can place ground here. 1, 2, and 3. Another one here. Right, you can click this terminal block and to make it invisible, and then you can wire just PW, right? Wire, or you can go here and click wire, right? So it's better if you have the you know or remember the shortcut key, which is PW for wire. Okay, then this point you need to connect it later. Okay, you can move it nicely, right? Then you can place maybe a jumper. Maybe you can place a jumper here. To I have jumper here. Okay, we can use the header to pin, right? But better if you use 3 pin. It is harder, right? Okay, so go back here, click here, find 3 pin, and then place that 3 pin. Right, this is 3 pin. Oh, okay. You can place it like this. Take this one, make it invisible. Delete this one, right? Then wire it. Okay, P wire. Okay. Then this one can be a test point here. That means you can check either the voltage is 5 volt or not. If you need that test point, you can find the test points here. No, okay, test pin. Okay, you can place a test pin here. Right, so this is to test the voltage later. If the voltage is okay, 5 volt, then you can connect it to the, you can jump the jumper. All right. Next, you can place the, okay, you can use pod, or, but I suggest you to use net and label later. Click that one. Okay. Then change it to, say VCC, right? Up to you. Or you can use another thing that you can use is this. Go here, find out the 5 watt, 5 watt, and then wire PW again. Okay, so complete this one. You can save, right? Save that one. See it's under training part 1, ensure under training part 1, and save it. Okay, before that, go to tools, annotate, right? Annotate the schematic, right? It means that if we include the part, the designator here, C1, C2, for example, H1, U1, and TB1. Save it. Then you can file new schematic, right? So you can have second schematic. So this schematic is the input is VCC and ground, right? So you can copy this one maybe. Better you copy, that one about, and then that one goes to, goes to the okay, vegetable. Okay, this is vegetable. All right, so we're going to place the resistor 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 100 ohm. So go to under resistor. I don't know, I can see it. You can find it by search, the resistor. Okay. So name, equal to, you can, I show how to find the, I think I place it here, my notes. I show 3 ways how to find the resistor, okay, the component. Okay, so you can go to the search, and then you find content rest, for example. Okay, so you can name contains rest. Okay, so that the library is there. Okay, this, okay, okay, or you can search, right, resistor only. So you have resistor, this one is under general, or that one is under resistors. So I think better if you find it here. Because I already installed, If not, then okay, this one is resistor. So resistor, we have SMD, we have resistor half watt, we have the 1.4 watts, when we have 2 watts, we have 5 watts. Okay, so for example here, I want to use the half watt. If I hope half watts, right, the resistor, okay, it has no watts, no color coding, but if you want to use color coding ones, you click to 1.4, 1/4 or quarter watt. So we want the 100 ohm. So we have 100 ohms here. We place it here. 1, and another 1 here. then we have the right another resistor. I think 68K, 460. No problem. It's okay. Okay, so go to leverage again. What to what? 160. No, we don't have 160. We have 150. So better we take 180. Right, 180. Tap. And then change this one to 180 R. Then take to visible to ensure it's visible. And then click OK. And then you click Control. No. Then you click space. One here. The other one is here. Alright, next go back to the resistor. Then we need the 160K. Oh no, we don't have 60K, I think. 68K. So 68K. Yeah, this one. Now we have 68K. Then place, rotate, and place one here. The other one place here. Oh, sorry. Before that, better if you change the internal component place, then tab, change this one to 68K, 68K, make it visible, click OK, enter. One here, the other one's here. Okay. Then we need the transistor. Right? We need the we need the 3904, right? 39004. I think I have here 3904. Wait, look here. Do you have it or not? Okay, 3904. So I install it. So go to library, install, install. Okay, install from library. That is C. You see, Smile document. Then you go to electronic, mesh, robot. Then find out that okay, there, here we have it, right? 39004. Then click install from file. Then go here to see my document, electronic. You can place it anyway you like, anyway you like. Miss robot, and then click this one to output and find out the Altium compile library. Click open. So we have it, right? This one. Click close. Now we have it, right? This one. Please. Okay, then press X. And then press X again. Okay. Then we need the capacitor. So banyak. Okay, so we can get the capacitor there. I want the electrolytic capacitor. Again, I want this one, small one. Then place the capacitor. The capacitor look like this. And the one here. And you can turn like this, right? Or you can just press X, right? Then you can start wire, right? Wire of them. Okay. Or you can press PW, right? Okay. Like this. Same goes here. The one goes here, I think. No, I think I forgot to place the diode, right? Diode. Okay, diode. Diode. That there. The LED, you can place the LED here, right? So you need to delete this one. Go to library, and then same. If you don't have, you can install it. Else, you can find it here. LED. We have a few LEDs here. Okay, so you can use the red color or green color if you like. Okay. Oh no, that one no. That one LED and okay, right. Place it. Okay, then you can wire PW. Same, yeah. You can double click there and then untick that possibility, right? Untick it. Okay. Then these two we need ground, right? So ground here. You can place it directly there. Okay. And then you need to connect this one to here. Okay. You can use wire, but I recommend you to place net label and use net label. Click here, click here, click here, and here. Right, you can move this one out here. This one you can move a bit here, right? Then for the okay, U. Normally it is Q, not U. Then you can change this one to base of Q U later. Say I name it U1. Okay. So before that we need to go to tools and then annotate schematic correctly. Yes. So this one become U2, This one is U3. So base of U2, then this one based off let's go U1, right? Sorry, not U1, U3. Okay, then what you can do, double click on this, copy it. Okay, then place it here, then double click on this, copy this, and then place it here. Okay, so you have both, right? Okay, connected like that. Not nice, you can move this one, select, then okay, select, and then move it a bit. All right. Okay, this is the way how you can do it, right? So it's completed. Save. Okay, sheet number 2. Okay, so you have sheet 1, sheet 2. After you complete, right? Save this one, save project. Then after that, you go to the design. Sorry, you go to project, compile, and compile this one. Right? No problem, right? You got no problem here, right? Again, design, project, recompile. You can recompile. No, if you got error, it will let you know that we have error, right? Okay. All right. Then, okay, that means that it's okay now. Yeah, we have only one pin, each one. Yeah, that's no problem, no problem. That's just a comment, comment. I think this one also we got the same. Vegetable power compile successful, no error found. Okay, right. Once you save it, then now after you complete your design, the schematic, compile it, find no error, then what you do is to create the PCB. Okay, so click to the file tab, then close all this, minimize it. Okay, then click to the PCB board wizard, click next, metric, next, custom, next, rectangular. Okay, so rectangular here, you see, you can let it be like that. Later we can move it, right? Then track boundary track 0.3, 0.3, 1.3. Keep out distance. That means the distance from the east to the plane. 1.3. Click next. Then signal layer, power plane 0. Next. Through hole bias only. Okay. Next. Through hole components. One track. Okay. See, you can choose 2 track if you like. Next. Then this one, minimum track size. Minimum track size 0.3, for example. Okay. Minimum width 1.0. Minimum hole size you can set to 0.6. This one, no, normally is about 1.6. Okay, you can set minimum to 1.2, for example. Then minimum clearance, you can set, better you set it to 0.3. This is the default is, this one is 1.6, this one is 0.8. Next, and then click to finish. Okay, so you have the project now. Okay, click to project, move to the project, then right click here, go to option, go to the sheet, then untick that one because we don't want this color, that blue color, the sheets. We don't want the sheet. So this is a PCB. Save it first. Okay, so it's under training part 1. Then go back to any one of them. Okay, this one I already annotate the designator. Then designator is R2 is designator. Then you go to design and then update the PCB. So to update the PCB, you must in the schematic. You must in the schematic. So you can check and then untick this one because you don't want the room sheet, the room sheet, the black color one. I show you first, and then validate the change, execute change. Okay, so this is room sheet. You don't want it. You can take them out. Okay. Okay, so we have the power supply. 1, 2. Okay, this is power supply. Okay, then you can refer to your TB, your schematic. Okay, so you have C1 there. Find out where your C1. Oh, C1 is not available. C1. There's no capacitor here. C1. Yeah, we got C. Okay, go back to the. Right, we have. I think same. So go back here. Come back here. And then find out the capacitor. Yeah. No, that one is resistor. Resistor we have there. Capacitor we don't have. Yeah. We don't have the capacitor. That's why it's not appear. Okay, next. So we go back to the. Okay. Oh yeah, this one, Okay. We have the capacitor now. Close. Just go back to design, update again. See, now we have the capacitor, validate, and then execute. So we have these two capacitor. Then our 7805. Oh, also we don't have that, right? Oh yeah, we have it. Place it here. This is pin number 1, I think. You can have a look at it, at this. Okay. No. Okay. So this is the middle ground. That's pin number 1, number 2. And then the test pin, maybe you can place your test pin here. This is pin number 1. Okay, it's here. You can make it smaller. This one, change it maybe to this one to 1.0. This one change to 1.5. Okay, so it becomes smaller. Okay, then we have TP, that's pin here. Then we have capacitor, 2 capacitor. Okay, this one too, if you want, you can make it smaller. Once, then this one we make it become 1. Okay, so you can change it like this maybe. Right, then this is C1. Then you have another C2 here. Again, click to C2, change it to 1.0, and then change this one to 1.5. Okay, move it here. Right, sorry, move it here. Then move your C, the designator, okay, close to the pin, close to the pin. Okay, all right. Then this is the jumper. Pin number 1 is top 1. Okay, you can hide it if you like. Okay, but you need it. Later you need it. So better you unhide it, make it visible, then but make it become smaller. This one. Okay. Okay. Then after that, then you going to put the place all that the other things, right? First, maybe you need to place the resistor. Then you need to place the LED. Maybe up to you, right? Where you want to place it. Then you have 2 capacitor here. And maybe you like to put the transistor in middle of that, right? Up to you. Okay. Okay. This one, make it smaller. The designator is too big. This one too. Then capacitor like this. Positive on top, Yeah, it's positive. Yeah, this capacitor here. Okay, then you can place the transistor. I think this transistor work for this. Oh, right. And this transistor, we place it here. Okay. Then make smaller. This is pin number 1. You cannot see. Just to reset the error marker first. Okay, so this goes pin number 1. Here goes pin number 1 too. Okay. Alright. Okay. DB1. This is pin number 1. DB1 pin number 1 is here. So make it clear. Then you can see. Okay, this is pin number 1. Alright. DP DP1. Okay, I think this one okay. Should be okay. Then click to the keep out layer and move it. This one we call it keep out layer. Move it. Okay. Then click another one. Okay, and move it. Then click this one, move it too. Okay. Then select one. While pressing Shift, click on the keep out layer, and then go to design, and then box it. Define from the selected object. So you have it now. So this is the final size. Which is 33 mm or 3 cm multiplied with 4 cm, about 4 cm. Okay. Okay, you can change the board color. Right? You can change it. See, board color, gradient, show board cut off, go dot set screen. It's a dot solder. Wait, Altium 3D. And this is active configuration. You can choose black or blue, brown, color by layer. I think, let's see, we choose black. Okay, so we can black this. Okay. Okay, now you can start to maybe you can place the right R1. I think we can change it. Right? We change the size, the size to smaller. Same with the all others. So you can place it here. R1, R2. Oh, just let it be like that. Right? Okay, next, save it. Okay, then maybe you can do whatever you like. Right? Say you want to place uh, the polygon pool first. So you go to place polygon pool, right? Then select hatch or none, or let's say hatch, and click this one, ensure that bottom layer. Okay, then this one we want to connect it, right, to the, or make the bottom layer, the bottom plane become ground, ground layer, ground plane, and then name it whatever, x for example, and click OK. Then move your mouse to the edge here. Okay, edge here, click, then move your mouse next to the another edge here, or angle here, then go to another side here, and then move to another side here. Okay, and then click any, right click, right? So you have the polygon pool already. Save it first. Now time to root it. Okay, you can root it manually. You can root it manually, but whatever it is, you need to go to the you can go to tool, then go to the rules, right? Rules, no, design, rules, right? Rules here. Then you can set the width. So actually here we have two. We can set it to 3. The first one that we have is ground, right? And you can set ground, custom query, right? Custom query. Then we can set that in net. Click that one, ground. Okay, so and then select the size. So normally we select the wider width, right, is ground. You can set this one to 1.0, up to you. But if you manually root, you can change it to minimum to maximum. Okay, so maybe this one you want to set to 0.8, right? Click accept, or okay, apply. Then click again with, right, new rules. Click again, right, double click on it. Then change it to say power. Okay, so click again to custom query, and then in net, okay, and then 5 volt. Okay, maybe you want it to be 0.8. Then this one you can set to 1.0. This one you can set to 0.6, up to you, right? Apply. So that's second one. And then next, click again, right click, new rules, others, right? You can change it to others, name it to others, all. So set it to 0.6 for example. Okay, this one you set it to 0.7 for example. This one you set it to 0.5 for example, and then click apply. Okay, click OK. Okay, then now if you, okay, now I take out the polygon pool, please, polygon pool. Oh no, sorry, that's place. Go to tools, polygon pool, then kita save. It's good, right? Now if you go here, right, and then okay, and so you select the bottom layer here, bottom layer, right? Then you can go here, for example, ground. See size, right? You move, right? Okay, you can move it like that maybe. Click here. Right, and then this one, this one is 0.5, 0.6, because it's under others. We need to check it. This one is net 2. Net 2 should be positive. Power, should be power. This one. Again, if you look at it, it is 0.6. Okay. So what we do, go back to design, rules, then click to power. Okay. We have no problem with ground, but we have problem with this net C1. Okay, net 5 watt. Okay, this one is go to custom query plus in net C1 and this one, and then net C2 plus in net C2, no, C2 2, right? C2 1. Okay. Apply. Okay, so this one should be 0.8, right? Now you see it is 0.6. If I delete it, now if I go back here, I see this the size a bit. Okay. Double click. See, it should change. This one should change. So maybe tools, design, rules, 0.8. Should be apply. Okay. All right. Now I delete this one first. 1, 2. Ground should be delete it. Okay. And then this wire, this wire all should be power, should be power. Because this one come from here. See, it come from here. Okay, to maybe we can make it like this. Go back to rules, then we just have we have others, power, and ground. Okay, so this one we need to find out. I mean, need to go to one by one. We need to find this. Okay, no problem. Just let it be like that. Okay, this one, and then now root, auto root, go to all. After you set that one, first go to edit layer direction. We don't have the top layer, so find of it, not use. Click OK. Now no need for you to edit rule because you already set it before. Apply. Click OK. So you can click directly to root all. Now it will root all for us. So routing finished with 0 connections. Failed to complete 0 connections. Right, so you can check again. This one should be 0.8. Oh, why 0.6? Plus 5 volt. Plus 5 volt. No, it should be 0.8. Okay, no problem. Root, unroot all. Okay, now you start again. Root, auto root all. Root. Okay, I know what's the problem there. Because I'm not setting the rule. No. I'm not setting the rules. Go back to this one. Go to priorities. Priorities. Okay, so we set the highest to ground, right? Increase second power. Okay, close, apply, then click OK. Okay, then root, unroot all, and then root, auto root all. Root all. Right? So it takes some time to complete. Right? So fail to complete two connection. Fail to complete two connection here. Okay. All right. Okay. In fact, we can unroot all. I think this one you can compress it a bit here. Okay. Then move this one up so the board becomes smaller. Right. And smaller. And then click all the edge again by pressing Shift. Design both shapes define from selected. Okay, then place design. Replace the tool, organ port, restore, and then right click. And so this one at bottom. Okay, right click, organ actions, report all. Okay, it's cannot. Okay, so delete, then go back to place, organ port. Alright, then this one is ground, or click OK. Go to the each, click, left click, left click, click again, and click again, and then right click. Okay. Then after that, you go to root, auto root all, root all. Okay. We have to connect 20 connection in 2 seconds. Again, root, auto root all, root all. Right? Okay, no problem. Right click, polygon put actions, save all, root, auto root all. Root. Let's try to connect it. Okay, starting completions. I think we have either to fail to complete. Routing finish with 0 contentions, fail to complete 2 connection. So we have 2 connections which not being connected. This one, right? Okay, no problem. And like this. Okay. Okay, now what we do? Go back to tools, plugin action, and restore. Okay, then right click, plugin actions, report all. Okay, so click to ground. And then reset error marker. Okay, so I think it's already connected. All. Okay, we can check it. Design. Report. We go to report. No. Tools. Design rule check. Run. There we have a clearance problem. Then we look for the unrouted. Okay, so all routed. See, all routed. Right, this one is very important. Unrouted net contains 0. Clearance contains a gap and 0.3. Some not 0.3. Which one? Not 0.3. This one. Right? The clearance is not 0.3. So this one is okay now. Right? You can check it. And then what you can do, you can change this one, I think. No, it cannot change. Okay. Report. Okay. So if I click ground, report root tools, reset error. Okay, if I click it, you see now ground is connected, then this one connected, this one connected, this one is connected. Okay, and then you can change. You can change the track. Track you can change it. For example, here you can. I think it's almost okay, right? But maybe you can move this one a bit here, right? Then right click, plugin action, report all. Okay. Okay, this one maybe you can PT track. This case track. Can do it like this thing. Okay. Right click, plugin action, report all. Okay. Okay. This one okay. Not bad. This one okay. 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 This one not okay. Okay. PT. Click from here. Move to here and here. Then move here. Then move to here. Okay. Then right click. Action. Report all. Okay. It's not really nice. Report action. Report all. Okay. Now we change it. The way. So this one maybe not nice. Okay, this one too not really nice. Okay, this one is not allowable, eh? Okay, right. Okay, this one you can inject that ground plane here, inside by moving this one a bit up. This one move it here. PT. Okay, next. Okay, so I think others is okay. Okay, nice. You can combine these two here. Move it here. Delete this one first. Okay, then move. Then move this one up. Then PT. Then combine this one. Then we can action. People all. Okay. All right. This one also you can combine it like that. Move this one a bit. Then we can action. People all. Not yet. Oh, I think cannot. That one cannot. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so complete your PCB design. Then don't forget to save all, right? Okay, this is completed.